Hey everyone, we're at the Bangor City Forest. Nice Monday afternoon, about 4 o'clock. We get an hour or so before dark. We're gonna see if we can hit some trails and just get a couple miles in. Just got about 4 inches of snow last night, so it should be pretty nice. Been a few people out today. It's packed down pretty good. Not quite enough to need snowshoes. And it is really good, well marked. Shows you actually we're at sea now. Started down here. And each checkpoint, they letter it. So you know where we are the whole time. Either that or we can go up around and then cut back across to here and come back down.
Well, depending on our time, yeah.
And see where we're at when we get to J.
Yeah. Or if we're doing well at like, then we could come to 10 and then go out through 11.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's keep moving.
Okay. D. We'll that way and keep going. This trail looks like it hasn't been used too much. Starting to get less packed down the further out we get.
made it to H. Just hit a mile from the parking lot. So keep on venturing down. When we get to I, we'll decide if we're gonna do one or two of those and see where we're at for time. And just gotta be back. Pick some bit from the airport, but we'll make it. You wanna go left or right?
Oh no, what do you think? We can do J. JKA. JK. JK.
J it is.
Okay.
Things are getting breezy. MJ on the K. Nice. Should be getting about dark by the time we get back. Sunset's at like just 4:05, so by the time 5 o'clock rolls around, it's about gone. But days are getting longer. This is a bad thing. Get to K. Shouldn't be too much further. We'll be back. Trails aren't too bad. Where it's packed down, it's not bad, but over where nobody's been before. Good. 5-6 inches of snow. Looks like we made it back to the parking lot. Nice little quick afternoon hike. Finally got a day above freezing, so take advantage of it. First got here, this parking lot was full. In an hour, it cleared up pretty good. And we made it back. Did about 1.86 miles, a little under an hour, but gonna get in the airport. But I'll see if I can put a screenshot of the track at the end of this. And until next time, we'll remember to get outside, get some nature. We'll see you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we're going to be adding more survival bushcraft videos as well as plenty of adventure videos from Rossignol Outdoors. And again, thanks for watching.